It's Rachel from happinessmagnet.com, and I'm coming to you today not to actually talk about anything fashion or makeup wise. What I'm actually going to do today is a dialect experiment. Now, with this experiment, I actually learned about it from Rebecca over at the plussideofme.com, and I am so excited to do it, and I hope some of you will do it because I love to learn and hear the accents from all over the world. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to say some words, and then I'm going to answer some questions, and you'll probably be able to hear my southern accent. I live in Arkansas. I've actually lived in Kansas. I've also lived in Florida, New York City, and here now in Arkansas. So I'm going to say some words and answer some questions, and I hope that you'll post this on your blog too so that I can hear what you sound like. So the words I'm going to say are aunt, route, wash, oil, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, sure, data, ruin, crown. A lot of people say it, crayon. Toilet, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably, spitting image, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, syrup, pajamas, and cot. Now I'm going to answer some questions. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? Well, we call it TPing, which is toilet papering. So, what is the bug called when you touch it and it curls into a ball? Roly-polies. It's been a roly-poly forever. What is the bubbly carbonated drink called? Well, there is a great discussion over here in the U.S. and for all you U.S. readers about whether we call it pop or soda or Coke. I guess it depends on where you're from. In Kansas, we always called it pop. I'll always call it pop. I have tried to transition to the soda, just doesn't work for me. Soda for me is basically what you put in a milkshake. So it's very different. What do you call gym shoes? Well, I call gym shoes tennis shoes. Unless if they're Chuck Taylors or Converse, as you may say, then they're Chucks. What do you say to address a group of people? Hey y'all! No. I guess in a non-formal, it would be hey y'all. In a formal situation, I would just introduce myself as hello or hello everybody. What do you call the kind of spider that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? Dead? Does that constitute? I don't like spiders. I'm deathly afraid of spiders. So, yeah, dead. But, to answer the question, it's a daddy long leg. Though they may be friendly, they're better off dead. What do you call your grandparents? Grandma and grandpa. Though my grandpa died when I was 4, maybe 3, very long ago. Always been my grandma and grandpa, always. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? Well, first of all, we call it a grocery store, not a supermarket. Second of all, the little buggy that we push around, we call a cart. So, what do you call it when it rains while the sun is shining? Mist. It's probably not the technical term, but that's what we call it, is misting. What is the thing you change the TV channel with? The remote. Speaking of, have you seen mine? My husband. He must have it again. Well, I hope you enjoyed my dialect experiment. I hope that you will, again, do one of your own. Leave any comments about my southern accent. You can come over anytime, y'all, for some sweet tea. And I just let me know. Leave your link in the comments below. I don't edit videos because this is just who I am. So if I do any vlogs in the future, you're just going to get me. That's what I've always promised to you. And I appreciate all of your love and support. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great week. Bye-bye.